Let's talk about a term often used in the gun world: stopping power. What does it mean? Is there a formula for it? And has modern science changed about how we measure it? Many people think stopping power is just about how hard a bullet hits, but the truth is, there's no perfect formula to measure it. Scientists and shooters have used different formulas to try and guess how well a bullet can stop a threat, but real life is more complicated than just math alone. Here are a few ways people try and measure stopping power. The first thing is kinetic energy. This is how much energy a bullet has, and it's based on how heavy the bullet is and how fast it's going. One of the most simple formulas for this is KE equals 1/2 times max times velocity squared. Basically, faster and heavier bullets hit harder. Momentum is just as important. We can figure this out by timesing max and velocity. There's also a different factor with bullet size. Bigger bullets might do more damage, but that also depends on how they expand and perform. Some older formulas like the Taylor knockout try and mix all these together, but weren't always the most reliable. And finally, people use test blocks called ballistic gelatin. That's where they can see and gauge how deep a bullet goes and how much damage it might possibly do to a body. I agree with these formulas. I think these formulas can be helpful, but I don't think they tell the full story. Why? Because stopping power isn't just about energy, speed. It's more about where the bullet hits, like the lungs, the heart, and the brain. It also depends on how that person reacts. Some people keep going even after being shot, especially if they're on drugs, adrenaline. So no formula can fully predict what will happen in real life. To me, stopping power means how likely is that one shot going to quickly stop a person from being dangerous. This could be just making them fall down, drop a weapon, or stop attacking. It doesn't mean they're dead right away. It just means they can't keep fighting. In today's world, science has changed drastically how we measure it. Today we use ballistic gelatin, high-speed cameras, real shooting data, dope sheets to see what bullets do. We look at things like how deep the bullet goes, how wide the wound is, and whether or not the bullet expands or breaks apart based on different components. So modern testing focuses not just on math, but it also tests what's happening in real life. To wrap it up, stopping power isn't just a number. It's about how bullets behave, where they hit, and how the person reacts. Formulas help, but real world testing really matters just as much.